Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be talking about redeeming your Temu credits, so let's get right into it. Now, there is something I want to show you guys before we get into anything, and that is the support FAQ of Temu's official policy. Now, before I get into that, you can go and check your credit balance by just going into your account and going under credit balance, and you'll see the credit balance you currently have. In my case, it's £0. So as you can see, I don't have any credit to withdraw. However, if I go over here, as you can see, I am in the FAQ currently, and there is a section if you can withdraw cash from your credit balance. And as you can see, your credit balance can only be used for purchases on Temu, and you cannot redeem it for cash. They will never expire. However, you are not able to withdraw them in any certain way. Now, this might be able to be circumvented if you contact Temu support. You might be able to talk with them if it was a fraudulent purchase, somebody hacked into your account and spent your Temu credits, or if somebody stole your credit card and used it to purchase something on Temu. You might be able to get into contact with, well, first of all, your bank. Your bank might be able to nullify the purchase, and then Temu might also be able to withdraw or give you back any money that might have accidentally been added to your account. However, in all other cases, and that does depend on Temu themselves, they might just refuse to do so. But as you can see, you cannot withdraw your credit balance at the moment in any way. Sadly, that is the case. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.